Change history logs can make it really easy to identify when things start to go wrong on your website, how that happened. It can help you to narrow down and identify if an infection is gotten in and something is using your admin sort of user to affect changes on the website. If someone has access to your website and is fiddling around with it that you're not aware of, but you don't want them to be doing that. It's also really handy just if you have a few different people working on the website at the same time. When things break, it's good to have that history log to see who did what and what changes were made that caused the problem. So if you're doing that sort of troubleshooting and investigation work to figure out what went wrong, it's really handy to have. And it's a pretty simple thing to put into your website. There's a simple history plugin, it's free, chuck it in. It doesn't add a lot of extra resource drain on your website, but it makes it a lot easier to figure out problems when they do happen. Cheers.